Maintaining and caring for hair seems to be a colossal task for most of us, but if we can identify and understand the basic problems of our tresses, then it becomes relatively easy to treat and protect those luscious locks from damage. Aloe vera and coconut oil is the best natural conditioner for soft, smooth hair, and those who are looking for straighter styling can go for this one. The ingredients in this conditioner is aloe vera and coconut oil. Wash aloe vera leaf properly to get rid of all dirt and germs on it. It's important to maintain hygiene in every skin or hair care routine. Cut the leaf into small pieces as shown. Outer part of aloe vera leaf has antibacterial quality, which helps to reduce scalp acne, dandruff. So add outer skin of aloe vera leaves in this conditioner. Now put the coconut oil to this and mix well. Take hair in sections and coat every strand of hair, and apply the pack properly, and cover the hair with a shower cap. Wash the hair after 1 to 2 hours with a shampoo and condition it. You will surely feel a great difference in your hair, and you would get hair that you would want to caress.